Merlin here. Well, today's project is to start cutting this foam out. You can see it's really thick in here, and I'm going to have to cut it down pretty much to the hull to have the clearance for my lift fan. But in another version of what you find when you're working on an old Hoverstar, I'd say that right there explains the slop in my steering. I don't know who did this. I know it wasn't from the factory, that's for sure. But that's pretty sad right there. So yeah, that's to our steering. Anyway, I've chopped all the old wiring out. I'm totally rewire it. Apparently that bracket there was where the terminal block mounted, but the terminal block was actually down and shoved up underneath the hull here. So you've got to figure out what the heck's going on with that. Anyway, like I say, things you find when you start tearing stuff apart. I got the air filter tube pulled out of there, and yeah, that air filter is going to be going away. It's not going to be sitting in front of me. Because when we put the BMW engine on, the air filter is going to be towards the back. Something else I'm not sure about, but down inside here, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's some kind of pipe with a rubber plug over it. And let's see here. Maybe the flashlight will work today. We'll find out. I had it working a minute ago. Yeah, there you can see. There's some kind of pipe with a rubber cap over it. Don't know what that goes to. It almost looks like it's a fuel tank or something, but there wouldn't be a way of putting fuel in it, so I'm not sure what that's about. Maybe somebody else who's built a Hoverstar or worked on them can tell us what that is. Anyway, that's down inside there. And down in here we have all kinds of trash and stuff up inside the ducting from where this thing sat out. You see there's all kinds of stuff in the back we got to clean out. There's the muffler. I got to drill the rivets out there to pull the muffler out. But anyway, that's the point we're at so far. I'll update the video once I get some of the foam cut out of it. But that's the Hoverstar. Thanks for watching.